Hello everyone, this is Forex Hint here. I would like to welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Before I proceed, make sure that you subscribe and turn on notifications. So guys, today I would like to share with you the real importance of time frame. So I think this is not a new things to all of us, because once you make an analysis or any technical analysis, you should do this, or you should consider something like this time frame. So in this time frame, what are the things that we normally recommend to use several time frame in order to get clear entries, clear swing trades? So in this scenario, we got almost 5 to 6 time frame. The first one, we can say that it's all about monthly, then weekly, then daily, then 4 hour, and then we got 1 hour, then we got 15 minutes. So guys, in this time frame, it is where we look our general trend, our entries, whatever swing trade, scalping trade. So what I'd like to recommend you that once you use this time frame, you'll be able to know what are the recent market structure, whatever. So in this time frame, what are the things that you should consider? The first one, make sure that in this in this bigger time frame, I mean monthly time frame and weekly time frame, these are the time frame where you can look the general trend of market. So these are the bigger time frame. So once you start making top-down analysis, make sure that you start with this bigger time frame, like this monthly and the weekly time frame. So in this monthly and the weekly time frame, it is where we identify market trend. So let's say that you just spotted an uptrend in this monthly and the weekly time frame. So what you need here, make sure that in this time frame you keep in mind that in the monthly and the weekly I'm in uptrend. Then once you go to the lowest time frame, then you'll be making your analysis regarding of this trend that you spotted in this monthly and weekly. So sometimes we use this monthly and the weekly time frame for swing trade. So if you want to make a nice swing trade, make sure that you use this bigger time frame to know where the price will go or where the price must reach in the future. So make sure that you use this bigger time frame. At the same time, in this bigger time frame, it is where we normally know the general market outlook for the several times. For instance, you can see some several pairs can go into the downtrend almost 5 years, 3 years, whatever. So that's why we say that in this higher time frame, it is where you get the clear picture of market trend. So in this day and the 4 hour time frame, sometimes you can say that if you want intraday trades, you can use this daily and the 4 hour time frame. So in this, it is where you get this intraday setup, like you can spot a buying position that can move within a day or a selling position that can move within a day. So that is all about this daily and the intraday. But sometime in this day you can spot a good market trend, whatever. In this 15 in this 4 hour time frame, also can spot a good market trend. At the same time, in this 1 hour and the 15 minutes, also can spot market trend. So what you need to keep in mind that a clear market trend must be identified in this bigger time frame. Then for intraday, you can use this daily time frame and the 4 hour time frame. But in this 1 hour time frame and the 15 minutes, these are the confirmation time frame. So let's say you spotted a clear uptrend in monthly time frame, then you come up, you get some confirmation at this daily and the 4 hour. Then once you starting making your entries, finding your confluence, make sure that you use this lowest time frame to know whether this is just a clear entry for you. So that's why we say in this lowest time frame, use it to make your entries. So at the same time, you can make your entries in this rest time frame and exit your trade at this monthly time frame. So how? Let's say you spotted an uptrend like this in monthly time frame. So once you come up, you make your entry at this area. You keep in mind that in monthly time frame, price was at this moment. Then the price once come and activated your trade here, you use the rest time frame to execute your buying position here. So that is all about, and at the same time you just keep that in mind. This is was just an uptrend in monthly and weekly time frame, but you come up to find your entry in the rest time frame like this 1 hour and 15 minutes. Then you should make your exit trade at this previous higher point, because this is just an uptrend. Then price, we expect that price will come and block this previous higher point in order to confirm to us that still we are in uptrend momentum. So that is all about